from the local station is something most people take for granted, but for some train passengers in Dorset that has never been possible. That's because Folkestone Station in Bournemouth has never had a working passenger lift, despite a long-running campaign and a promise from South Western Railway to install one. Campaigners say it's discrimination. Richard Slee takes up the story.
I live near a pretty little part of this town. It's got antique shops and cafes and it's called Folkestone. But you won't like it if you find it hard to get around, cause the train station doesn't have a lift.
And that's the problem for many local people who can't manage these stairs to the trains.
So if you're in a wheelchair or you've got bad knees, or maybe you've got to be back to shopping or a pushchair with a baby, or possibly you're just like me and really bleeding lazy, well, the train station doesn't have a lift.
The protest song is part of the long-running campaign to get a lift installed. It's especially a problem for people like Ben.
It's been able to be equal, it's been able to be able to use the train. I can't do that. The family can't do everything else. I feel excluded.
The Walmsley family also can't use the station to take 5-year-old Santiago to London for regular medical treatment.
We end up having to go to the main central station in Bournemouth, have to take a taxi, or we park the car and, for the length of the time we stay there, and the only way.
So my appeal to South Western Trains is look into your hearts and look into your brains. It would save a lot of people a lot of aggravation if you just fit a lift at Folkestone Station.
We've been campaigning since 2011 to rightly get access for all members of the community to the station, and unfortunately at the moment those people are precluded from doing so, which I think is completely unacceptable.
I'm hoping that the song can raise a bit of awareness and get the right people to address the issue.
South West Railway says there have been challenges here at Folkestone and providing a lift is taking longer than they would have hoped for. In a statement, the company says it does remain our goal to deliver a scheme which benefits the local community. These campaigners just hope it'll happen soon.
I reckon you'd get yourselves a standing ovation if you finally fit a lift at Folkestone Station.
Richard Slee, ITV News, Bournemouth.
Catchy little tune there. And remember, you can find